Hi, my name's Michael Mazarang. I'm a foundation repair specialist in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today we're visiting an existing job site located downtown in Charlotte, and we're looking at a series of foundation underpinning units. Per North Carolina Building Code, we partnered with a local structural engineer to evaluate and assess the situation. The engineer designed a pattern or series of foundation underpinning units. In this particular case, a helical piering system was chosen at a particular spacing, and also the engineer designed a load capacity per unit to support this foundation. This particular building is approximately 40 years old, and over many years the soft soil in this area caused about 4 inches of distress or settlement over these many years. You can see here in this video the final step of the process, which is to attach a hydraulic jack or bottle jack to the lift kit, which is on top of the T-pipe assembly, or to the L bracket, which is fastened to the foundation itself. You can see here. The hydraulic hoses go around the corner and lead to a hydraulic power pack, which is actually responsible for the lifting process. Once applied, the load is actually taken off of the soil and transferred to the piering system. You can actually see in this video the lifting process is currently going on, and you can see the breaks in the soil showing the actual lifting process. We were actually able to get this building to lift 3.5 inches, which was close to getting it back to its original position. The client was very happy, as well as I was, with the result. I've lived in the Charlotte area for the last 20 years and have developed an extensive network of contractors, professionals, and engineers that are the renowned experts in this craft. You see here the hydraulic power pack. I'm hoping if you're watching today, this shows you a little bit about foundation underpinning and what the process entails. And I hope that you give me a call at 704-787-6972. I'll be glad to share with you my 20 years experience in the industry and make sure that you have the right professional on your job site. I appreciate you visiting with us today and look forward to your call. Thank you.